But let me show you how you can kind of build your own crystal ball specific to the Smith School, and also how all your classmates around the country can do the same for their alma maters. So what you're going to do is you're actually going to come to a tool that I worked on when I was at LinkedIn, which is called the alumni tool. And so what you can do here is you can pull up the Smith School at the University of Maryland, and everyone else feel free to do the same thing for Tepper or Haas or wherever you're calling from. Come click on that school page, and then specifically click on this alumni tab. This is the thing that I worked on.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
And the really beautiful thing is twofold, actually. Number one, it gives you access to all the alums. And so you can see traditionally, a lot of people going to Deloitte, EY, Amazon, Capital One, of course, down there in the Virginia area. But one thing you can do in particular is you say, you know what? The Smith School has been around for a while. I don't want to focus on where people went 30 years ago. I want to focus on where they went 3 months ago. How does that sound, Juan?
Oh, that sounds great.
So what you can do is you can come in here and put in start year 2022, end year 2022, search. And what you're going to have is the most recent class and those trends. And as you can see, some of these trends are a little different than the historic ones. So for example, PwC made it into the top 4, even though it wasn't even in the top 6 or 7 historically. So they may be a rising employer. And I know that's probably not as relevant to you because you want to be in big tech.
Yeah.
But if you're focused on big tech, absolutely Amazon.
Right.
Let's see, but some others. One other thing you can do is you can always filter by specific function. So let's say of the most recent class, who went in to say product management or a tech function. So let's put in product up here just to make it a little more interesting. And then look at this. Amazon, Google, Capital One tech side, some interesting startups, Microsoft. This could be your list, Juan, in terms of, okay, I don't want to focus on any random company. I want to focus on the ones that are actually hiring.
Okay.
Guaranteed that if you want to apply to any of these firms, there's going to be an alum on the inside that you can reach out to build that connection.